Hi everyone. Today I'd like to discuss the difference between parallel and series battery connections, the benefits between using 6 volts, 12 volts, and 24 volts within your DC to AC power inverter setups, and also the proper way to install multiple batteries within a battery bank to increase the battery life runtime and to increase the amp hour of your battery system. As you can see by this diagram that we've posted above, you can see the difference between parallel and series connections. The difference between a parallel and series connection is a series connection will increase the voltage of the battery. By connecting positive to negative, you'll increase. For example, if you're going to use two 12-volt batteries connected in series, the end result will be a 24-volt battery. If you connect two batteries in parallel, which will be positive to positive and negative to negative, you'll increase the size of the battery, but not the voltage. The voltage will remain at 12 volts. You'll just double the battery life power. Now let's take a look at this diagram here, which will show 6 12-volt batteries, 3 sets of 12s being connected in series to make 3 24-volt batteries, and then connected in parallel to retain the 24-volt setup to be used with a 6,000 watt DC to AC 24-volt power inverter. As you can see in this diagram, we have 4 12-volt 100 amp hour batteries. By connecting them in parallel, positive to positive and negative to negative, throughout the system, what you'll do is you'll increase the battery size to 400 amp hours, but it will retain the 12-volt system. This is what you'll need to do if you want to increase the runtime when using a 12-volt DC to AC power inverter. The benefit of using 6-volt or 12-volt batteries, which are lower voltage batteries than just one 24-volt battery, or using two 6-volt batteries to create 12-volt batteries, usually the lower the voltage of the battery, the longer it will retain its charge. Usually it's available on a higher amp hours, and it usually does have more charges within the life of the product. So for example, if you're going to set up a new battery system and you have the option of using 6-volt batteries in series and then running them in parallel to create a 24-volt or 12-volt system, it might be a little bit more beneficial than just using a 24-volt system. If you have any further questions about your battery bank setup, whether it's series or parallel connections, or using different types of batteries, please feel free to contact one of our service professionals at royalpower.com.